Hello, welcome my beautiful people. My name is Kristen. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a Trunk Club unboxing for you. It is a Nordstrom brand company, and the nice thing about Trunk Club is that if you are looking for something specific, you get up to 12 items and they will send you several of the same items for you to check out. So I put on a little extra weight over the winter and haven't quite worked it off yet. I don't want to buy a whole lot in a larger size, but I need some denim shorts. So I have 4 pairs of denim shorts. She sent 4 tops to go along with it, plus a couple dresses and a couple bags. So y'all get to help me see everything, try it all on, and decide what works best. Okay, so I've taken everything out of the boxes. I will also list in the description the brands and prices for you. The first thing is cut from the Kut Catherine boyfriend shorts in a size 6. They have very minimal distressing, but I like them, very classic, so we will give those a go. And then the top for that is a white, it looks pretty thin, and it's a cotton linen. It's by O'Neill, so it looks a little wide, but I look forward to trying that. So that will be outfit 1. Outfit 2 is Madewell, and it has a frayed bottom, classic back, more of a true blue, less distressing. And the top with that one is by Roxy, and it's kind of a rib and peplum, so we'll see how that does. Then there's another cut from the Kut Catherine boyfriend short in a different wash. It's really not that different, so we'll see when I put them on if there's any difference. I think this one's a little bit darker, maybe just a little bit less distressing than this top. I can't remember who it's by. Caslon, which is a Nordstrom brand. It is a cotton linen, so a little concerned about wrinkle factor, but it's got a cute little back detail and very beachy mint green, fun top. Nothing I got in this entire box is $100, so everything's under $100, pretty reasonable. These are Vigoss luxury stretch, like that. So they are the Marley mid-rise, pretty classic. And with that one is a cute Madewell top. I think this is the most expensive item in the box. I think this is $78. So it does have some cute smocking on the back, and it's cute. When it said embroidered, so I guess that's the smocking, because I was expecting the flowers to be embroidered and they're not. But I look forward to trying that on. Then where's my dresses? The dresses, this is very summery and pretty. It's by Chelsea 28. It's got a really pretty pattern of green with buttons, some smocking ribbing in the back, and it's a longer, just past the knees with tank. And the last dress is by Leith, size small. It's got double straps, nice bright, I like bright. And it's just a sheath dress. And then the 2 bags, we'll go ahead and look at those now. They are both by Soul Society. It's got the faux leather, magnetic with the drawstring. These are actual pockets, I think, with the leopard. You could get a cell phone in there. And then inside here, you've got pockets on the front and the back. And I think these are both around $65 to $75. The second Soul Society bag looks like this one. That one, the first one was blush, and this one is like a camel. And this pocket here is pretty substantial. You could definitely get your car keys and your phone, things that you want to grab quickly. And then it's got the backpack straps with an optional handle. And let's look at the inside. It's exciting. Oh, there's the tag. It's this one's $64.95. So it's got the nice leopard with pockets there, 2 pockets here and a zip pocket there. So some detailing. No feet, but I like it. First we have the floral print sheath dress by Leith, and it's a size small. Beautiful colors, not a bad fit. It's not adjustable straps, but I think it's okay. Gotta like, can you tell I got some sun? It finally is getting warm around here. I can actually wear things like this. It's exciting. Let me step up. See the length? It's almost a midi length, so I'm not sure on my frame if that's a good length on me or not. But it's pretty comfortable. Okay, this is the button front sundress by Chelsea 28 in ivory for $79. It's a little tight on me. You can see it's button front and it's pulling. It has all this smocking, so I mean it's not pretty. I think that's pulling it across and making it, you know, pretty tight. There are pockets. It's a beautiful print. I really, really like the print. And yeah, if it wasn't for the gapping, you can, if you're interested, how much, this is $79. So again, it's pretty midi. That mid length must be really in this season, and I'm not sure how I feel about it, but this is going to be a no for the pulling across here, but it's really cute. Okay, now onto the things I really want to try, the shorts. So the top is Madewell. Madewell is always made very well. The material is very high-end, good stitching. I think it's cut cute, and I like the sleeve. It's got smocking in the back, so that must be a thing. At least it's a thing for this box. So this is $78. The only thing I really I'm not over the moon about this, and then at the price, I'm not sure I'd get that money's worth out of it. The Vigoss shorts, they are stretchy, so they do have a lot of stretch on the side, but I'm looking for that right now. So I don't want all my shorts so tight. Let me show you the length. So this is the length of short that I like. I like the wash on it. They're $48 if I didn't share that, so that's within the range. All the pockets are working. So they're a little big because of the stretch, so maybe one that's not quite so stretchy would be better. We'll see. We'll compare. This is by Caslon. It is cotton linen, and it's $59. I like the seafoam. The back detail is cute. Honestly, I love this type of top on other people. It just doesn't quite feel like my thing. But it's a good price if you're looking for one. I would recommend trying it. These are the first pair of Catherine Boyfriend by Cut from the Cloth. They're also $59. The top's $59, the shorts are $59. They are a little, well, they're much more fitted and less stretchy than the Vigoss, and they're a little longer. You could roll them again and have a cuff as opposed to the fray. And they have a better fit around the waist, I think. Next we have the peplum top by Roxy. It's ribbed very, very soft. It does not have adjustable straps, so it comes down really low on the sides. I have been known to, you know, tuck this up, but that's going to make it even more cropped. But with these shorts, these are Madewell Perfect shorts. They're $49.50 and they are high-waisted. Like this right there is my belly button. So these are super, these would be the most high-waisted things I own. You can see the wash is very blue. And I do like the length on these. They are the natural fray. And I think you could also put a little tuck on them like that and have them be just a little shorter with a more finished bottom. Okay, this is the Caslon tank top by O'Neill in white. It is a little thin. You can see kind of the jeans there. I'm not sure. You definitely would want to wear a dark bra with this. But I do like the fit of it. I think it fits well. I don't think it's pulling too much in here. I like the white linen-y, breezy summer. So I like it much better than I thought I was gonna like it. It's cute. And these are the second cut from the Kut Catherine boyfriend shorts. I really like them too. I think they're just a different wash than the other ones, but I think they have the same fit. They're good in the waist. They're comfortable. I think the length is mom short appropriate. You can also, again, there's enough stretch and room in them to cuff it and not be cutting into me. So the shorts are $59 and the top is $39.50. So overall, I think my stylist Danae did a great job. There are several pieces that I really, really like in this. And the quest for the denim shorts, I think we can have a winner. This green dress is probably not going to make the cut with the buttons, but it's awfully cute and I love the print on it. What do y'all think about this one? I think it's a lovely print, very bright, very comfortable, but I'm not sure that the sheath straight is the most flattering, and $70, I'm not sure that's a need right now. This top I liked a lot more than I thought, but it is sheer, and that's the main thing against it, because what do you wear under this? If you wore another cami, it just seems like it's kind of redundant. So if this was opaque, I think I would absolutely be keeping this, but I'll have to watch the playback. You can give me your thoughts. I love this, but $78. If this was $28 or even $38, I would probably keep this, but I'm not sure. 78 is just the price. So I may see if I can find this on Nordstrom website and watch it for a sale. That's a good option, which you can't do with some of the boxes. This one by Roxy, it was only $30, but it was a little too loose under the arms. I would have to stitch it up, and I'm not sure I love it for the extra work. Maybe. Again, I'm gonna watch the playback. Leave me your thoughts. This top, I really, really like this top. It's just not my style. It would be a little high maintenance with the linen as far as wrinkling, but it's a beautiful color, great detail. I think it's a little preppy for me, I think, but it's a lovely shirt. The bags, I really, really like this bag. I have decided that this Soul Society bag with the drawstring, this is too fussy for me. I messed with this a little bit and I love the look of it, but the functionality of that drawstring is not for me. This one that has just the zipper on the top, I really like that. I'm not sure I have things like this similar pin, so I know that's why she sent it to me, but I did just get a purse from Stitch Fix recently, so I'm not sure I'm quite in the market for one, but I really like this one. So again, might find it on the Nordstrom site, see if I can find it and watch it for a sale, just because it would be nice to have that. I think I would use that. I do not have a backpack purse, and I would like a backpack purse. If you have a backpack purse and you either like it or found out you didn't like it, leave me a comment about that. Now, the shorts, I need your input. The Madewells, this kind of looks like a jean skirt almost to me. I like the blue. I thought this was maybe one of the best fits, but super high rise. So I'm not quite sure how I feel about the super high rise. The Vigoss, these are the most comfortable on. They've got the most stretch and the softest denim feel to them. Maybe too much stretch. Then the two Catherine Boyfriend, you can't go wrong with Catherine Boyfriend cut from the cloth. They're very tailored, very classic, not much difference between the two. One's a little bit lighter, so the little bit lighter with more whiskering, or the darker, more classic Catherine Boyfriend. I'll have to watch the playback. Leave me a comment. I'm only keeping one because I am hoping that I'm going to get back into the majority of my smaller size shorts by the end of the summer as I continue to exercise and move more. But in the meantime, life is too short not to have jean shorts that fit. So please leave me your comments. I appreciate your time and you being part of my channel. I really hope that you have a super blessed day.